this is Jade, and welcome to my first Get Ready With Me YouTube video. Actually, guys, I'm really obsessed with makeup.
Listen, look, and listen, and learn.
I wear it every day to school, and even if I'm not doing anything, I still put makeup. Doing my makeup feels like it's not just like about making myself pretty, but it's like fun. Here, ever Vilena. As you can see, run out na talaga siya, pero pinipilit ko pa din. Put this here. And medyo maputi siya.
Wait a minute!
After a couple of hours, mawawala din siya. Kaya ito lang yung ginagamit kong shade. Mag-pink eyeshadow tayo. This is like from my sister.
Wow!
I don't know, guys. I'm using her makeup. Actually, doon ako nag-start mag-like ng makeup kasi ginagamit ko yung mga gamit niya. I think parang mas maganda to. Di mukha na tayo nagpuyat. A lighter shade, which is this one. Aegyo-sal. Diba, guys? Nantok na ako. Lagi na kayo nantok. Okay, so yan. V muna, tapos triangle. Curve. Next is curve. Next is another curve. And then curve. Diba? Curve. Tapos blend. Magbra-brow tayo. Sobrang liit na to. Sobrang napudpud na. Pero okay lang. Magagamit pa yan, guys. Dapat di natin tinatapon agad-agad yung mga nagagamit pa.
Wow!
Kasi sayang siya eh. Masyado kong naahit yung kilay ko dito. Kaya mukha siyang kalbo. Para akong villain. Parang yung mukha ko villain. Ayan. Okay na naman siya. Ano ba yung next step? Maglilipi tayo. Kasi nga, wala lang. Maglilipi na tayo. Yan. Dito sa baba. Para mukhang big yung lips natin. I will be using this one. Lip gloss siya. Gamitin din yung eyeliner ko. Maglagay tayo ng glitter. Ngayon is we're gonna put on blush. Then we're gonna do our eyelash. Okay, guys. So ayan, guys, I'm done with my pink makeup. And that's all for today's makeup. Stay tuned for more.